Originally called Jazzland, this large amusement park opened in 2000 and is located in New Orleans East, just off of Interstate 10. Owned by a Spanish company called Parque Reunidos, Jazzland fell into financial distress shortly after opening and was purchased by Six Flags in 2002 and renamed Six Flags New Orleans, with many new larger rides being added in. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina hit, causing the park to become submerged in 7 feet of water in some areas. The prolonged exposure to saltwater rendered many of the rides unsafe, and Six Flags considered the park a total loss. After several unsuccessful plans to redevelop the area, Six Flags was forced to vacate its lease, and the property was taken over by the city in 2009. Since the closure, trespassing and vandalism have been problematic, and the property is routinely patrolled by both security and the New Orleans Police Department. In addition, the property is now home to alligators, wild hogs, fire ants, and snakes. However, the property has not been fully abandoned, as major box office movies have been filmed on its premises, including Dawn of the Planet of the Apes, Jurassic World, Stolen, Deepwater Horizon, Killer Joe, and Percy Jackson, Sea of Monsters. Many plans were made by different developers to do something with what remained of the park, including demolition. But nothing ever panned out. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for future aerial video tours. Also, check out some of our other haunted aerial tours. And we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.